Alright, here we have a package just came in. Let me get the paperwork right here. This is going to be a 2014 Ducati Monster 696. This actually came out of Georgia, but it came from a few hours from here. So we're going to go ahead. They sent us a dashboard. They sent us the ignition. Go ahead and make the key to the ignition from scratch. And then we will go ahead and program the dash. I'll come back shortly with the keys cut and programmed. We're back at the Ducati. We're done. Here go the two keys, laser cut keys. Go in. Steering wheel lock goes in and out. No big deal. Same deal. Chips are in these keys, and they're already programmed to the dashboard cluster. We're going to package this back up and get it out of here. And that's about it. You need our help, you're in Georgia, give us a call. We'll come out and take care of it on site. If you're out of state, I'm going to need the ignition lock, like this gentleman did. Sent me the ignition lock and also sent me the dashboard. So that's about it. We made two keys from scratch and did the pre-programming that's necessary to get the bike started. And that's about it. You can go to the website for more information, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you. And again, this is a 2014 696 Monster.